Don't buy a single share of Tesla stock until you've watched this video till the end, because there is a major shift occurring right now that could cause Tesla stock to crash before it starts rising again. 6 months ago, people were predicting that Tesla stock could go to $3,000 per share 5 years from now. Now, that prediction was made back when Tesla stock was trading at $300 per share. 6 months ago, when I made that video, I said Tesla stock could fall to $200 per share before starting to rise once again. And sure enough, just a few weeks after I made that video, Tesla bottomed out at around $220 per share before going on its most recent rally. Later in the video, I predicted that after the short-term sell-off, Tesla could rise to around $2,000 per share by the year 2030. And now people are once again saying that Tesla stock could hit $3,000 per share by the year 2035. But just because Tesla stock could hit $2,000 or $3,000 per share over the next few years does not mean that now is the time to buy. And that's because there's some major catalysts coming up that could push the stock price significantly lower. Some people are warning that it's time to wake up from the dream and to sell strong on Tesla stock. 6 months ago, I predicted that Tesla stock would fall before going on its next leg up. And if you had bought that dip, you would be up anywhere from 50% to 100% on your Tesla stock right now. And I am once again warning that Tesla stock could take another dip downward before going on the next leg up, which makes a great buying opportunity for those of you who want to buy the dip. However, it's also a warning to people who are trying to buy right now not to get FOMO, not to buy into the hype, because we may be looking at about a 20 to 30% drawdown over the next month or two. For those of you who are not familiar with me, my name is Stock Curry, and I'm a former Merrill Lynch and Morgan Stanley investment banker. I have over 25 years of trading experience, and I have a lot of experience finding these stocks that are beat down that have the potential to rise massively. Now, 6 months ago, I predicted it would be a great time to buy Tesla stock after a short-term dip. And when I made that video, people were extremely bearish on Tesla stock. The comments on that video were things like, I don't think he's going to sell that many cars because of his caustic personality. He has alienated most of those likely to buy EVs. Somebody else said, does anybody still believe what Musk says? Another person said, some strong wishful thinking here, buddy. Another guy said, and this was the most upvoted comment, considering how badly Elon has damaged his reputation and the Tesla brand, I prefer to stay away, far away. And it was exactly at that time, during extreme bearishness on the stock, that I made a video saying that Tesla was going to rise. There's a reason why people in Stock Dad's Discord call me the contrarian. I have a knack for finding these stocks that are beat down that have the potential to rise massively. And not surprisingly, it's the exact same strategy that Warren Buffett used when Warren Buffett went out and bought stocks that were beat down, that had low investor sentiment, and then held them until they rallied amongst incredible investor hype. And that's exactly what we saw with Tesla. If you had bought 6 months ago, you'd be up 50 to 100% on your investment right now. You'd be feeling pretty good. But if you're trying to buy right now, you might be a little confused. And I know a lot of you watching this video are brand new to the market. You may have started trading a few days ago, a few weeks ago, or a few months ago. And there's a lot of conflicting information about Tesla out there. So I want to clear up a few things in this video, and I promise you by the end of this video, everything you need to know about Tesla stock will become very clear, and a lot of the confusion will be cleared up. Now, getting back to those comments from 6 months ago, there was one comment that kind of stood out amongst all of the negativity. Amongst all of the negative comments and all of the upvotes about people saying that they would never invest in Tesla stock and it's a terrible company to buy, one person with a single upvote said, and he got it exactly right, everyone being afraid of Tesla and selling is exactly why I am loading up. Let's talk in a few years. Well, it's not a few years later, it's 6 months later, and Tesla stock's already doubled. So let's talk, because there are some new catalysts that could push Tesla stock well above my $2,000 price target and all the way to $3,000. In fact, one analyst says Tesla stock is going to hit $3,000 in 2035, saying the road ahead is chock full of catalysts. Now, keep in mind, my $2,000 price target is a 5-year price target. Well, about 4 years now. And the $3,000 price target is a 10-year price target, about 9 years away for right now. The 1-year price targets are, of course, going to be quite a bit lower. Baird analyst Ben Kallo upgraded Tesla stock from neutral to outperform and raised the 1-year price target from $320 to $548. So he's predicting Tesla stock will be at $548 1 year from now and $3,000 a little over 9 years from now. He said that while Tesla's vehicle segment has faced setbacks and declines, investors are likely looking to other segments of the company and future growth. Investor inbounds regarding long-term initiatives lead us to believe focus has increasingly shifted to the future for Tesla. And this is the key about investing in the stock market that you have to understand, is that the stock market does not look at what's happening right now. The stock market is forward-looking. And depending upon the stock market could be forward-looking anywhere from 6 months down the road to 6 years down the road. In the case of Tesla, it's more like 6 years down the road. There are other catalysts for Tesla as well. Kallo said the new proposed pay package for Musk has lofty goals and, like past versions, creates new incentives for Musk and the company over the next decade. He noted that the new pay package is used in the model to present the latest opportunity for the company and is part of the reason for the upgrade in new price targets. More specifically, Kallo breaks down the pay package milestones, which are based on Tesla's market cap, product goals around vehicle deliveries, full self-driving subscriptions, Optimus Bot deliveries, robotaxis in operation, and adjusted EBITDA. Now, regarding the pay package, which is a huge incentive for Elon Musk to actually achieve these goals, and the reason it's such a big incentive is because if Elon Musk does achieve all of the goals that are laid out for him, he will receive $1 trillion in pay. $1 trillion just for achieving these goals over the next 10 years. And if he does achieve those goals, Tesla stock would have to be worth $8.5 trillion in market cap in order for Elon Musk to max out his $1 trillion payday. And just doing some simple math here, if Tesla's market capitalization were to reach $8.5 trillion, its stock price would be about $2,100 per share, assuming the current share count stays the same. Ironically, that $2,100 per share price target the board set out for Elon Musk is not that far off from the $2,050 price target that I came up with just doing some basic fundamental analysis 6 months ago. And Tesla stock could go much higher. Based upon comments from Tesla regarding its future revenue drivers and opportunities, as well as the new pay package milestone, Kallo estimates the Tesla stock could be worth between $1,400 and $3,000 in 2035, saying the road ahead is chock full of catalysts. The catalysts highlighted by Kallo in the report include robotaxis, Musk's pay package getting approved, the next generation of Optimus revealed, growth of the Tesla energy business, launch of the Tesla Semi, and more affordable electric vehicles. The analyst said all of those items are events that could move the stock higher. That is a lot of catalyst for Tesla stock. And that's exactly what I saw in Tesla stock 6 months ago when everybody hated it and everybody was selling. That's why I figured it was a great time to buy. Because if Tesla did meet all of those catalysts and did do even half of what they say they're going to do, Tesla stock should rise massively. And this is what you need to look out for when you're trying to find stocks to buy. Find great companies with a great management team, and in this case, somebody with incredible incentives to make it happen, and buy that stock when everybody else is selling. If you can buy low and then hold out until it goes up to a really high price, whether that's 1,500 or 2,000 or 3,000 or however high it goes, you'll make a ton of money. But if you wait until Tesla stock has already risen over $1,000 a share, your profits are going to be a lot smaller. All of that said, now is not necessarily the best time to buy.